Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, more leads, and new clients for their business through digital marketing. And would you like an effective way to generate leads for your cleaning business without having to offer discounts all the time? Well, today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate leads for a cleaning business without offering discounts and some strategies you can use, so stay tuned. So the first thing that you really want to do is make sure that your cleaning business website is great, right? One thing that we find with a lot of our new clients or cleaning businesses that we run into is that their website isn't very professional. It doesn't really have a lot of content. It's not really functional for any means to actually generate leads. And so there's a kind of a misconception when it comes to marketing in the fact that a lot of people think that they just need more traffic to their website and that's going to magically fix everything. And unfortunately, more often than not, that's not really the case. Usually your website doesn't have a traffic problem, you have a conversion problem. So you need to fix the foundation aspects of your website to actually have offers to generate leads. And then again, at the same time, even if you are getting traffic, even if you are getting leads, a lot of it has to do with your follow-up. Are you following up with these leads? Are you calling them? Are you closing the sale, right? So there's a lot of other aspects that go into it, but you really need to have those foundation things in place to generate leads for your cleaning business. And when you do, you can actually generate leads without having to offer discounts on your services. So with that being said, the next thing that you can do as a means of generating leads without offering discounts is to optimize your Google My Business page. A lot of people underestimate this and they don't actually put the time and effort into optimizing it. So they kind of do the bare minimum. They have one, but they don't really actually fill out all the information. They don't add pictures, they don't have videos, they don't post on there. And this is a very big way to actually generate free leads for your business, free phone calls, again, without having to offer discounts. And so when you do this properly, it actually can help you optimize for local SEO. You're gonna show up on the maps better. So again, if somebody's searching for like a cleaning business near me or a cleaning business in their area, if you've optimized your Google My Business page, you've got a lot of reviews, you've got different pictures that are geo-targeted, for example, that can help you rank better. And if you're showing up in that little map pack, so basically when somebody searches for a cleaning business, you're one of the first ones that show up, there's a big likelihood that a lot of people are going to reach out to you versus scrolling through 3 or 4 pages to find your business. People are going to call those top ones, and optimizing your Google My Business page can be an effective way to do that. On top of that, again, you can use SEO as a means to generate more leads without having to offer a discount to people on your services. Now, something to really understand is that SEO is important, but it's not an overnight thing. And it's also not really a guaranteed thing. You can do all the right things. You can have posts that are optimized. You can have pages that are optimized. And depending on the competition in your area, you may never rank. And so again, it's something that you certainly want to do. It's important to optimize those things, as over time it can help your business climb in the rankings. You can be found more often in search and again start generating leads, but just understand it's not an overnight thing. If companies are promising you that, right, or agencies are promising you, you're going to be on page number 1 in 10 days or something crazy like that, just understand if they're making claims like that, most likely they're probably using black hat SEO techniques. And basically that just means things that are shady and that have the potential to actually harm your business in the long run. So when Google updates their algorithms, it can actually negatively impact your business and end up pushing your business further down. So you don't want to use those kind of SEO tactics when you're promoting and building your website, because again, it can harm you in the long run. Now, another cool strategy that we found that works very well with our clients is that you offer a free quote. And so Not anything necessarily revolutionary, but we found that that can be actually very effective to start generating leads, and you don't really necessarily need to offer discounts along with that. It's a strategy you can do if you want. If you want more repeat customers, you could certainly offer a discount if somebody signs up for a year of service or multiple services, maybe 6 services or 7 or 10 or whatever the case might be. But it's not necessary, right? So people just really want the information, and likely when they visit your site, that's a big driving factor. So they're probably either in research mode or buying mode. Most people are in research mode, but those that actually are in buying mode, they're looking to make a decision. Having a pop-up or having some type of aspect of getting a free quote is a great way to start generating leads that are actually highly targeted and interested. That being said, another strategy you can use to generate leads without offering a discount is to offer something of value in exchange for someone's name, email, and phone number. So you call this a lead magnet, and there's a lot of ways that you can do this. If you're trying to come up with different lead magnets, the thing that you want to think about is, what is your target market? What is your ideal customers' pain points? What are they struggling with? What are they sick of dealing with? What common questions do they have? Can you answer that? Do they want to get better results faster in some aspect that your business can help them with? So again, maybe you're offering like cleaning hacks, or, tips on cleaning your bathroom, or, how to save money on cleaning, or what are the best cleaning products? What's the best bang for your buck, right? So different things like that, where you're offering value in exchange for someone's name and email. That can be a great way to start to generate leads without actually having to offer a discount. You just offer something for free. Now, on top of that, another effective strategy that you could use to generate leads without offering a discount is just actually offering an additional service. And so one of the best ways to actually do this is you could offer an additional service that is like an upsell. So typically you're going to have different services that maybe aren't included in your general cleaning that you do in a home. So maybe it's, window washing or carpet cleaning, or, a variety of other things that may not be like the standard cleaning that you do. And so what you could do is actually offer one of those services in addition to that cleaning when they fill out a quote form, or when they opt into your email list. And so what that can do is that can kind of plant the seed of what that extra service is like. Obviously make sure that it's something that's not cost prohibitive to you to add that on, but maybe you do an extra window service for that first cleaning or for their second cleaning, when they sign up for that newsletter, for that email list. And so what that does is it plants the seed. They get to experience that service, and they see that extra, and now if they want to get an additional service, they might add that on top of it because they've experienced it and they don't want to miss out on that moving forward. So that can be a great strategy where you're not necessarily offering a discount on your service, you're offering an upsell on the service. So you've already made the sale, you've already made the money of doing that cleaning, but you add that additional service on to potentially add that on into the future as well. Now, another thing that you can do that works very well is running Facebook ads. So if you're not doing that, you're really missing the boat on a lot of potential customers that are online, that are on Facebook. A lot of people we find, a lot of clients that we work with have tried Facebook ads in the past, and they just don't get results because they're coming from the mindset of, how can I sell these people, rather than how can I help these people? Or again, they're just talking about the features of their business. They've been in business for X number of years. This is the type of cleaning we do, versus talking about the benefits of your cleaning service to that person. So time saving, stress reducing because they're not doing their own cleaning, right? More free time, all these different aspects that are benefits to using that service versus just the features of that service. So we've got another video that we did on Facebook advertising, so definitely go ahead and check that out. We'll put a link in the description below where you can check that out as well. And that's another service that we do for our clients, is running their Facebook ads to help them get results and generate more leads. But again, you don't have to necessarily offer a discount on your service when you do that, because you actually are targeting people that are interested and open and want to have a cleaning service. You're just offering them a way to do it through you versus somebody else. On top of that, another great strategy you can use to generate leads for your cleaning business without offering discounts is actually to create value-based content and then share that on social media. And so what is value-based content? Well, again, I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but basically the idea that you offer something of value, you answer questions, maybe it's cleaning hacks, cleaning tips, different things like that that are cleaning related that can actually help someone solve a problem in their life. And so when you create content, you create blog posts, you create YouTube videos like that, again, you share that out on social media and then people will engage with that, and then you just offer that free quote or get an estimate on those pages in addition to that content that solves their problems. So again, you're not just directly selling, you're kind of selling on the back end, and we found that to be very effective working with our clients. On top of that, I mentioned a little bit, but using YouTube videos is another great strategy that you can generate leads for your cleaning business. So basically with that, again, following that value-based post model, you want to answer questions, help them avoid pain points. Another idea that you could use is kind of like the time lapse of taking like something dirty and then cleaning it. I know those are super addicting for a lot of people to watch, so you could make videos like that, cleaning homes, and then, you know, have the call to action, or basically at the end of the video just telling them if they want to experience a clean like this, you know, click the link below and get a free quote from our cleaning service. So various things like that. You can use video marketing to capitalize on SEO, and then also just provide value to those people without being salesy, without being pushy, and then just drive them to get a free quote or get an estimate from your company if they're interested in service. So use these different methods. They're very effective to generate leads for your cleaning business without having to offer discounts. So again, guys, if you got value out of this video, feel free to comment and share. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel as well to get the latest tips and training to help you build a profitable cleaning business through digital marketing. And if you are looking for more ideas to generate leads for your cleaning business, we actually put together a free training video that walks you through the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to get access to that, just head to the description below this video. There'll be a link there where you can download that to teach you the ins and outs of the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. But again, thanks so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you more soon.